God. Which kind of wahala be this one now? This nurse thing no dey favour person. People no dey gree see. Eh? Everybody they do better now. So people they buy cars. See my friend PJ where they do hook up. Every day night she they change car. I they do nurse. Me, I don't this nurse not tire me. It's just I know go start hook up. I beg. Not be who you tell me they do, now you know what they do. I go start hook up. I beg make customer come, make I start hook up. Now hook up the
coming. Why are you putting on nurse costume?
Oh, I'm just coming from work. Yeah, so I'll just freshen up here so that I'll not take time.
Side hustle. Sharp girl. Happy.
Kí ló dé? One fine. One dumb or not dying. What happened? Such a beauty. Wow, check it out. Yalla, anybody. That D one. I mean, my share anybody.
You're ready?
Yes.
So quick.
I need to go to work.
I thought you would give me 1 more round first. So how much did we talk about yesterday?
50,000.
Oh, 50,000.
Yes.
What bank, please?
GTB.
Account number.
011
011
56
56
28
28
93.
93. Nostina, right?
Yes.
I've just sent you 2 million. Manage it, please.
2 million.
Is that what? Yes. Is that a problem, brother?
Hey! I beg. What's it collect for my body?
What's your problem? You were telling me your life history yesterday. That's why I transferred 2 million naira from you.
Hey, Jesus!
Okay, me and you agree for. Oga, I beg. Now me only me my mama born, I beg. Me and you agree for 50,000. Because they credit me 2 million. Oga.
But you were telling me your life history yesterday, and I want to just help you. What's up with this?
Oga, you say they use people. People. Now my first time with this. Oga, I'm not going to hook up again. I beg.
Blaspheme me. What's the meaning of this?
Oga, not be blaspheme. I don't hear this when I say that they use to do money. Oga, I beg.
Let me ask
Thank you. This Oga carry me yesterday. Me and him agree for 50,000. Only for me to dey go now. Don't send me 2 million. I beg. Let me tell her that thing will collect for my body. Make it collect am back. Make it take it back. Make it take it 2 million. Give me my 50,000. I beg. The first time I do hook up with this, I beg.
But madam, you're supposed to be happy now. 2 million.
Madam,
you know what you want? You send me 1.950 now. Maybe carry 50,000.
Bombastic side eye.
This I no get sense. Make I send you 1.950 because now you can't do hook up.
Action. Yeah, now, but using our nurse costume.
Oh, that. I'm coming from work.
Sharp gear.
Yes, sir. I don't want to go home and come back to be late.
Let's go. Wow. Why are you putting on nurse costume?
Oh, I'm just coming.
Happy.
Yeah, why you laughing?
What's happened? Action.
I beg. Okay, man, you agree for 50,000. You got.
Action.
What's be your problem? See, I don't like this. This is blasphemy. What do you mean?
Oh, that not be like that. So now you agree for 50,000. You get to be 2 million.
Let's see. I just the hear shout for downstairs.
Yeah, thank you. This will not carry me.
Sorry.
2 million.
Yes, is that
No.
Wrong. No.
Now you agree for. Ah, Oga.